I'm Carla Clayton, the Wellness Lady, and I want to share with you what you will get when you order the Get Clean Starter Kit. So first of all, I want to say you can truly make a difference by switching from toxic cleaners to non-toxic cleaners. When you order this kit, here's the difference that you can make. I'm going to share this with you. By ordering this kit, you can help eliminate 108 pounds of packaging waste from landfills. You can eliminate 248 pounds of greenhouse gases, and you have the environmental equivalent of planting 10 trees. So what do you get in the kit, and how's it going to help you? Well, first thing, if you get headaches when you clean, you definitely want to take a look at this kit. All right? If you have family members that have allergies or asthma, respiratory problems, you definitely want to take a look at this kit. So let's get started by sharing everything that you're going to get. We're going to get started by looking at your laundry room. So in your laundry room, some of the most dangerous chemicals are those laundry powders. So this is our Get Clean Fresh Laundry Concentrate. It comes with a pump as part of your kit, and you just put 2 to 3 pumps in your washer to clean your clothes, and it works so amazing. And it's also, you don't have to buy spot treatments. You just use this, pump this right on your stains, throw them in the dirty clothes, and let them just sit there, and they'll pre-wash. It'll come right out. So that is your laundry. Then you're going to also get this Nature Bright. Instead of using bleach, and how many times have you put bleach and used that and you've just nearly suffocated yourself, or you have noticed that you get little white speckles and stuff? Never worry about that again, because with Nature Bright, this is non-toxic, it's safe, it's not going to bleach out anything, but it will whiten and brighten everything, your whites as well as your bright colors. You can use it on everything, and you can even use it outside the laundry room. You can use it to clean your tubs and your toilets and your tile floors, your grout. It's just amazing. So it also comes, because we're about reducing packaging, it comes in these pouches, and then you will get a somewhere, there it is, a refillable container that makes it very easy to use. It's got a scoop in it, and that's what you use to brighten your laundry, but it also has that you can pour. It's got a little pour right here. So really, really nice. You're going to get that. Okay, what else do you get in the laundry room? Dryer sheets. Do you know how dangerous those are for the environment and for your breathing? Very. Shaklee has this veggie base, made out of vegetables, veggie based dryer sheets that are non-toxic, they're natural, they don't have any fragrance, and they're biodegradable and recyclable, so they're very, very safe, and they are amazing. I love these. Now we're going to move into the kitchen. Beside the sink, I keep one of these. This is my hand dishwash, so if you have to wash pots and pans, or I like to use these to wash my Yeti cups, you just keep this by the sink. You're also going to get this handy dandy sponge. I love this thing. I can put 2 to 3 drops on here, add water. I can wash a whole sink full of dishes. This lasts me 6 months to a year to do and I hand wash dishes every single day, like my blender, my cups. So that is amazing. You're also going to get, for the kitchen, your automatic dishwash detergent for your dishwasher. Comes with the refillable kit. Comes in this bag. Now I want to show you the scoop. Oh, it's in this. This is the equivalent of 2.5 boxes of like Cascade. That's the size of what you put in your little dispenser. So, all right, refillable. Now, in the kitchen also, we have our germ-off wipes. This is, instead of Clorox wipes, which are highly toxic and really affect your breathing and give you the headaches, none of that with this. It kills 99.9% of salmonella and E. coli and lots of other things you don't want in your kitchen and your bathrooms. Easy to use. You just pop the top, pull it out, and wipe. I love to travel with these. And then my favorite of everything that's in this kit is the first biodegradable cleaning product that was created by Dr. Shaklee in the 1960s before green was a thing, Basic H squared. And this is our concentrate with 1,001 uses. You can use it for so many things, but what I like is it comes with the 3 bottles. You're going to fill these bottles up with water, and then to this bottle for window cleaner, you put 1 to 2 drops of this concentrate. Now you have window cleaner you made for a penny. In the all-purpose bottle, fill it with water, add 1/4 teaspoon of the same concentrate. That is your all-purpose spray for countertops, for mopping the floor, for dusting, anything you would use a spray and wipe for. Fantastic, 409, those types of products. 3 cents to make this. And a degreaser, if you have messy ovens, barbecue grills, you want to clean your tires on your car, you put 1 1/4 teaspoons into this bottle. For 20 cents, you can make a degreaser. Plus, you can use this for 1,001 uses. So, it's really amazing. And on top of all of that, you're going to get the cleaning cloths, microfiber cleaning cloth and window cleaner, mirror cleaner. You're going to get a little measurer so you can measure the concentrate. And you get this beautiful cleaning caddy. And you are going to clean out so much space under your counter of those toxic cleaners. Now, this kit right here retails for $115 and it replaces $3,400 worth of cleaning products. But you can get it for $99.